Now to your top 10 headlines in just 2 minutes. Sacramento police investigating a deadly shooting in North Sacramento. The victim found on Hayward Street just before 11:30 this morning, later dying at the hospital. No word on the suspect in this shooting.
Scott Peterson's request for a retrial has been denied. Peterson was resentenced last year to life without parole for killing his wife Lacey and their unborn child nearly 20 years ago. Peterson claimed his trial was tainted by a rogue juror who lied about her own history of abuse.
The Biden administration today asked the Supreme Court to end Title 42 restrictions on asylum seekers, but not before Christmas. The government admitted it will likely lead to disruption and a temporary increase in unlawful border crossings.
California's flavored tobacco ban takes effect on Wednesday. Nearly 2/3 of California voters approved the ban in November.
Afghanistan's Taliban rulers have banned female students from universities, effective immediately. It's the latest crackdown on women's rights and freedoms in the country. The UN condemned the decision, calling it another broken promise.
Wells Fargo Bank is ordered to pay nearly $4 billion for allegedly charging illegal fees and interest on car loans, mortgages, and banking accounts. In some cases, the bank is accused of wrongfully repossessing customers' vehicles and improperly denying thousands of mortgage loan modifications.
The House Ways and Means Committee voted along party lines to publicly release a report on Donald Trump's tax returns and redacted versions of his tax returns, something the former president has long tried to shield. The report could reveal how much money he paid in taxes, what income he derived from foreign operations, and whether his income was as large as he suggested.
Sam Bankman-Fried will have a hearing Wednesday in a Bahamian court on his possible extradition to the U.S. in the coming days. He's facing criminal charges related to the collapse of cryptocurrency exchange FTX.
Peru's Congress has tentatively approved a plan to hold early elections in 2024, hoping to defuse a political crisis after lawmakers ousted the country's president. The president was removed after he attempted to dissolve Congress ahead of an impeachment vote.
A massive crowd came out to celebrate Argentina's World Cup championship. So many, in fact, the team had to abandon their open-air bus and got on helicopters for a flyover. Yeah, the government called it an aerial parade. And those are your top 10 headlines in just 2 minutes.